My name is Shakil Anjam, and I want to share one of the most ethical issue in an organization. Organization issue, organization issue in businesses are a situation where a normal conflict arises and must be addressed. In other words, it is an auction where a moral standard is questioned. Organization issues is how an organization ethically responds to an internal or external stimulus. Organization issues express the values of an organization to its employees and other entities, irrespective of governmental and or regulatory laws. Organization ethics express the value of an organization to its employees and affect all functional areas in the business. There are some types of the ethical issues of harassment. Ethical issues in organization can be difficult challenge to navigate for any organization. Though there are laws and statutes that exist to hold workers and employers accountable, these alone do not entirely deter employees from behavior unethically. Ethical discrimination may result in the breeding of ill feeling at home, at work, as well as reduce productivity. To eliminate these ramifications, organizations need to put forth increased effort to curbing ethical discrimination in the employment sector. Harassment and discrimination in the workplace. Some types of ethical issues in business can expert to face and may need to overcome. Racial discrimination, sexual harassment, wage inequality. These are all costly ethical issues that employers and employees encounter on a daily basis across the country. There are several types of discrimination including age, disability, equal pay, genetic information, harassment, national origin, race, religion, rationality, pregnancy, sex and sexual harassment. Harassment and discrimination are arguably the largest ethical issues that impact organizations. Should harassment or discrimination take place in a workplace, the result could be catastrophic for your organization both financially and reputationally. Discrimination. One of the biggest ethical issues affecting the business world is discrimination. In the last few months, many corporations have come under fire for lacking a diverse workforce, which is often down to discrimination. However, discrimination can occur at businesses of all sizes. It applies to any action that causes an employee to receive unequal treatment. Discrimination is not just unethical, in many cases it is also illegal. There are statutes to protect employees from discrimination based on age, gender, race, religion, disability, and more. Nevertheless, the gender and race pay gap show that discrimination is still rampant. Other common instances of discrimination include firing employees when they reach a certain age or giving fewer promotion to people on ethnic minorities. Harassment. One major type of ethical issues businesses face are harassment, which is often related to racialism or sexism. This can come in the form of verbal abuse, sexual abuse, teasing, racial slurs, or bullying. Harassment can come from anyone in the company as well as from our customer. It is an ethical issue for the business. It is supervisor to where if the supervisor is aware of harassment from a client and takes no action is prevent it. In addition to causing a toxic placement, harassment can cause employees to leave the company prematurely. A second reason why some businesses lack diversity, harassment can have a long-term impact on employees. Psychologically, it in terms of earning and even impacting a person's entirely career path. Harassment and discrimination. Every business needs to be aware of the anti-discrimination laws and regulations that exist to protect employees from unjust treatment. Many different types of discrimination and harassment status that can have an effect of your organization, including but not limited to age, apply to those 40 or older, and to any adjust policies of treatment that take place. Disability, accommodation, and equal treatment provided within reason for employees with physical or mental disability. Equal pay, compensation for equal work regardless of sex, race, religion, etc. Race, employee treatment constant regardless of race or ethnicity. Religion, accommodation and equal treatment provided within reason regardless of employee religion. Sex and gender, employee treatment constant regardless of sex and gender identity. How to address ethical issues in business. Avoiding ethical issues in business always started with top management providing clearly written policies and processes that ensure those policies are both acknowledged and addressed to can ensure transparency and ethical business practices are applied. In order to effectively detect and most importantly deter ethical issues in business from surfacing in your organization, there are several everyday efforts you can take. Be sure to communicate and enforce a robust code of ethics when making decisions and ask the same of your employees. Remain aware of the discrimination law and that exist in your region. Stay informed on the rules that impact your industry and ensure your organization is acting in compliance with those regulations. How to handle the ethical issues in the workplace. Unfortunately, employees misconduct is common. Disgruntled workers breach their company code of conduct all the time, whether by misusing company time, taking credit for other work or harassing their colleagues. Among many other examples, disgruntled employees raise many ethical issues in the workplace. Regardless of why such behavior goes unreported, there is a huge discrepancy between the number of cases that come to light and the actual number of violence. So, what exactly can employers do to mitigate employer misconduct while elevating fear of restitution for those who witness it? While there is no simple answer, there are some methods of addressing ethical issues in the workplace. A common method business use to manage ethical issues is to simply deny the problem exists. Companies often combine this with a gag order to stop employees talking. If you want to maintain a good reputation, this is the worst thing you can do. After all, sooner or later the unethical behavior will come to light. A better strategy is to take an active role, seeking out and correcting unethical behaviors as early as possible. There are a few key tactics that every business owner needs to implement. Providing ongoing training to aspects like harassment prevention. It is worthwhile seeking outside support for this from a reputable agency or professional, or as low quality training can even make the problem worse. Become as involved as you are able in the day-to-day activities at your company. This could help you detect harassment in its early stages and prevent theft, whether mandatory of the company material.